Hello, I'm Sheila. This is our kitchen, and I'm going to talk about how do we prepare the food, what we use when we are preparing the food. We use everything because of you. When you are sponsoring us, we can get everything we want. Bananas. Three times a day, children eat. We cook for 85 children. Posho. Now in our kitchen, we have there matoke, posho, and beans. Here there is rice and plus Irish potatoes. We are the one who prepare our food. We prepare matoke, porridge, and posho, and rice, and beans. Hey, our sponsors, we thank you for what you do for us. Everything we need in time, you can give us in time. So our sponsors, we're gonna tell you that may God bless you in what you are doing for us. We thank you. We thank you for what you do for us. Everything we want, we need, we can get them already in time. Thank you, our sponsors. May God bless you.